We first put the flat tail and vertical tail together according to the groove position. Then align with the slot of the fuselage. Press the flat and vertical tails into place. Flip the fuselage. There are 2 screw holes here. We fix it with screws. Remove the nut of the quick connector first. Then put the quick connector installed in the first hole of the rudder corner. Screw the screw on again. Do the same for the vertical tail. Apply a small amount of adhesive to the rudder angle, and then install it on the rudder surface of the tail. The other rudder angle also needs to be glued. When installing, note that the rudder arm is facing the direction of the pull rod. Insert the pull rod from the quick connectors into the hole of the quick connector. Then we tighten the screw of the quick connector. Tighten the screw of the quick connector to fix the pull rod, so the rudder angle of the flat tail is installed. The rudder of the vertical tail is the same. Loosen this screw first. Pass the wire through the quick connector. Adjust the direction of the vertical tail. Then fix the screws of the quick connector. Untie the wing lines first, and we're going to insert the carbon tube into the carbon tube slot on the wing. Insert it to the end. Pass the carbon tube through the carbon tube slot of the fuselage. Thread the wire through the wire slot hole of the fuselage and through the fuselage. Then we press the wing in place. Same steps on the other side. Secure with 4 screws. After the wing is installed, use the Y-line to connect the aileron lines on both sides. Then connect the wing lines with the Y-line. There are 2 left and right beacon lanes here. There are 2 landing gear wires. Connect the landing gear cable to the control unit first. It's got lights on it. Let's unplug it first. Then we use this navigation light extension cord here. Connect the 2 rear navigation lights to, and connect them to the extension wires. And then the wing lantern. Go through here first. Connect it to this beacon extension cord. So all the pilot light wires are connected. Let's tidy up this thread a little bit first. Paste the dashboard sticker first. Glue the doll. Stick it in the cockpit. Glue the edge of the cockpit plastic part. Install and glue it. Unscrew the bullet and gasket first. Then we put the propeller on. Then install the gasket. Load the bullet. Tighten it. Just paste it according to the instructions. The plane is assembled here. So I'm going to demonstrate the wiring with the Senior 86A. Let's open the hatch first. Then, according to the channel. In order to connect the channel wires, Channel 1 connects to aileron cable. Channel 2 connects to elevator cable. Channel 3 connects to throttle cable. Channel 4 connects to directional cable. Channel 5 connects to landing gear cable. Channel 7 connects to flap cable. After connecting the wires, fix the receiver. Power on. Long press the bind button for more than 2 seconds. Green light is on. Frequency matching completed. Landing gear test. Aileron test. Horizontal tail test. Vertical tail test. Flap test. Motor test. The assembly and wiring test of the entire aircraft is now complete.